Welcome to Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. My name is, I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life is a craft artist, your favorite craft artist on YouTube. I'm so excited to do this video, you guys, because I love shopping. I love creating things. I love finding new things. And I bought this back before COVID-19, back in November, before everything happened. I went to see Frozen 2 at the theater, and I said, what if they have a lot of merchandise out, or merch, like everybody says, merch. And I thought to myself, maybe they do have some out. So I thought it'd be fun to buy some. So I bought this kit right here, this sketch kit. It's called From Walt Disney's Frozen 2. The movie was great, and I thought it'd be fun to do this video. I might use this kit for next year's Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland drawings. It'll be so much fun to use because it has a sketchbook, it has stickers, it has color pencils, it has everything you need for a Winter Wonderland theme for your videos. So I thought I'd show you this year and maybe use it next year for fun. So let me show you my background again because it is still winter. I got my winter stuff out, and all my videos are about winter and not the holiday. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for the whole video, you guys. Let me turn this over and show you what it looks like in the back. I love everything in here. I already looked at it. As you can see, I peeked into it. So that's how I know what's in it. So I love it so much. Right here, this is what it looks like up close and personal. Those are the Puffy stickers. There's the color pencils. There's the foil stickers. And sorry for that. And then there's paper clips, and there's two types of books. Oh, excuse me. There is this book right here is supposed to be the sketchbook, and that is supposed to be the notebook. And then you have a stylus and more stickers right there. And that's all the things you get in this kit. I don't think they have this at Target anymore. I bought it back in November, the week after my B-Day of last year. So I don't think they have it anymore, but I love this kit. I'm glad I bought it. Hopefully next year we can draw together in this beautiful sketchbook right here. And let's get started showing you everything in this kit. I hope you guys like this. I hope you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I hope you want more videos on this channel because Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland videos are not over yet. I'm doing a few more, actually more than a few more. So I might be uploading a lot, you guys. So let's open this box up and show you everything. Hopefully you're having a great day. Hope your weekend was great. And hopefully you guys get out there, draw, sketch, and whatever you like doing. Hope you do it. Hope you have fun. And remember, never ever give up on your dreams and never ever give up on your hopes and your desires because you never know what's going to happen. So let's open up. I'm ready to open. Are you? So cool to see it in the background of my video, you guys, for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland. There's my cup right there. It's Wonderland time, or Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland time. And I love that lantern back there. So it's so much fun to decorate, isn't it, you guys? So let's get on to what I'm going to show you today. Hopefully you like everything. These are the foil stickers. Look at that. They're beautiful gold foil. I love the designs on that. I can't wait to use this next year for my planner. I can use it anytime. It doesn't matter. And then more foil stickers. These are the silver one. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. It reminds me of that movie I watched the other day. Then also, I have paper clips. Silver and gold. That's interesting. And they're supposed to be leaves. I put them in this pouch right here because they kept coming out of the thing. So I put them in there. These are really pretty. I can't wait to use those. Also, right here, these are some color pencils I thought were wonderful. And they have Frozen theme on them. There's Anna and Elsa on there. Anna and Elsa. You know what I mean. Who are the characters are. And then they look so vibrant. Look at the color of the light blue, that pretty red, that orange. Look at these. Anna and Elsa. Wait, that's on there? Oh, yeah. And there's the, I think Anna and Elsa and the deer's on there. No, the horse is on there, not the deer. So that's what they look like. These look pretty. I hope they look good on the sketchbook when I use it. So that's what I got. And then this is a notebook. Look at this. Look how cute this notebook is, you guys. Let's take it out of the packaging and show you that in a minute. And then I got another notebook right here. Actually, not a notebook. It's a sketchbook. Sketchbook. Look at that sketchbook. Look at the way that's drawn. That is really beautiful and awesome. So let's move on to the next one. Ooh, here's the Puffy stickers they said that we were going to have. Look at Anna and Elsa. It says, fearless, believe in the journey, in my element. Beautiful stickers. I love the horse one right there. I love the girls right there. Well, cute. I love it. I can't wait to use these. I like Puffy stickers. And then I got a stylus right here that I don't have to take out, but I'll just show you this up close and closely when I take it out of the packaging. These two right here. So I'll be right back, you guys. So hopefully you're having fun watching this. So I don't have fun showing you. I'm going to show you I took out the package was the notebook. Look at this notebook. Look at that beautiful silver and marble. I love marble anything. This is what it looks like. I love it. Look at that detail on that horse, and both sisters are right there. So let's show you what it looks like on the inside. Just notebook paper. See? And this beautiful snowflake right there. Look at that. It looks pretty. I want the back looks the same. I think so. Yeah, it does look the same. So yeah, let's show you that if I can show it. Sometimes it takes forever to show stuff, but yeah, that is the back. This is a better view of it, of the snowflakes. This is a cute little journal. You can write your little winter journal thing during the winter theme. Let's put it up there, right back there, you guys. So I took out the stylus so you can see it up close and personal. I don't know what you need this for, but I guess to edge stuff or something. I'm not sure. We can put that back in there. And what you're waiting for is the sketchbook, which I'm waiting for is the sketchbook to show you too. So let's show you the sketchbook. Beautiful. Whoever drew this, good job. I love the hair, the castle on the back. I love the mountains. I think those are mountains. And let's open it up, you guys. Yep, it's a sketchbook, like I said. And then the inside, they have snowflakes. I think the back's the same way. Oh, look at the back. Look at that snowflake. I almost called it a star. That's a snowflake. And then this side right there, snowflakes. Oh, I'm going to use this definitely next year for Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland drawings. Definitely the Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland snow globes coming up. That drawing, my snowman, my penguins, my deer, the winter birds, the owls, all the winter things. Anything winter themed is going to be going in this book. Because I think it said, how many pages in this book? I can't remember. Let's look at this again. Let's see how many pages. 32 pages. Oh, we can do 32 drawings. We could. If I start early, I'm going to draw and start early for next year. Hopefully I can do it. So that's what they look like. The sketchbook's so cool. I love it. I don't want to use it, but I do want to use it. And here's the stickers out of the bag. So I want to show you out of the bag. Don't they look better out of the bag, you guys? Out of the plastic bag. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I love puffy stickers. Sometimes. If they're too puffy, I don't like them. So let's put this back over here so I can show you the other stickers up close and personal. The ones I want to show you are right here. So let's do that. These ones. So this is what they look like, you guys. These are the silver ones. Close and personal. If you can see that. They shimmery. Sorry, the glitter in your eyeballs. Oh man, I said the last time in the video was funny. Glitter in your eyeballs. Because it is shiny. So that's the silver. They're all snowflakes, I think. No, those are birds. They're like a bird right there. Or a symbol of a bird. I'm not sure. But they're really cool to use in your planner. So that's what I got right there. So let's show you the next ones in gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Ooh, the leaves look beautiful right there. That is so pretty. And I love that. I don't know what the patterns are, like I said earlier in the video, but I love this. I cannot wait. So let me show you the color pencils up close and personal, like I said I was going to do. So, open it up now, please. Oh, there we go. Let's turn over. I want to show you a couple of them at least. Let's take, I'm mixing the colors up. They're in right order, but not anymore. I'll take these pretty colors out because that's all I can reach. Look, they look like almost similar colors I took out. That's funny. Really, really pretty, but I love that. So I can't wait to show you these up close when I do my videos pretty soon. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I had so much fun showing you.